हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जीके अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड बेल आइकन प्रेस कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे अपकमिंग वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। आज के वीडियो में हम गो थ्रू करेंगे अक्टूबर 2025 के मंथली 60 प्लस करंट अफेयर एमसीक्यूज। ये करंट अफेयर आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाले हैं। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें बिना स्किप किए एंड एट लास्ट कमेंट करके हमें ज़रूर बताएं कि आपको हमारी वीडियो कैसी लगी। बढ़ते हैं पहले क्वेश्चन की तरफ। Which global organization has launched the world's first virtual museum for stolen cultural artifacts? And the correct answer is UNESCO. Second question, who was appointed as the new Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) in October 2025? And the correct answer is Shirish Chandra Murmu. Third question, which country became the 8th in the world to adopt India's Unified Payment Interface (UPI)? And the correct answer is Qatar. Fourth question, in September 2025, who was honored with the Business Line Changemaker of the Year award for contribution in indigenous strategic technologies? And the correct answer is DRDO. Fifth question, in September 2025, Wetlands, Gokul Reservoir and Udaipur Lake of which state were included in the Ramsar Sites list? And the correct answer is Bihar. Sixth question, in September 2025, India agreed to establish its first cross-border railway project with which country? And the correct answer is Bhutan. Seventh question, which state has launched the Spice Route initiative to link ancient ports and heritage sites? And the correct answer is Kerala. Eighth question, who has been awarded the 31st Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award 2025 for environmental protection? And the correct answer is both option first and option second, that is Sri Verappan and Sahaj Samruddha. Ninth question, where was the 11th World Energy Economy Summit WGES 2025 held? And the correct answer is UAE. 10th question, in October 2025, which portal did UPSC launch to share interview related experiences? And the correct answer is My UPSC Interview from Dream to Reality. 11th question, which Indian state's tourism department has won the prestigious Global Tourism Award 2025 for its outstanding initiative in sustainable tourism and heritage preservation? And the correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. 12th question, which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? And the correct answer is India. 13th question. Singapore renamed which island as Zubeen Garg Island, where Zubeen Garg tragically passed away? And the correct answer is St. John's Island. 14th question. In October 2025, the India Meteorological Department IMD issued warnings for the severe cyclonic storm Shakti over the Arabian Sea for Maharashtra, Gujarat. Which country named this cyclone? And the correct answer is Sri Lanka. 15th question. In October 2025, Union Environment Minister Bhupendra Yadav inaugurated Rajasthan's first Nemur Biodiversity Park at which location? And the correct answer is Alwar. 16th question. Who took oath as the new Deputy Chief Minister of Gujarat in October 2025? And the correct answer is Harsh Sanghvi. 17th question. Which state will host the 5th edition of the Khelo India University Games 2025? And the correct answer is Rajasthan. 18th question. What is the rank of India in the Heinrich IMD Sustainable Business Index STI 2025? And the correct answer is 23rd. 19th question. Where did the India Meteorological Department IMD inaugurate the SODAR Sound Detection and Ranging System facility? And the correct answer is New Delhi. 20th question. Where did India's first private sector H-125 helicopter final assembly line FAL be set up? And the correct answer is Karnataka. 21st question. Which city ranked first in the list of the most populous city in the world in 2025? And the correct answer is Tokyo. 22nd question. Which country has been elected by the United Nations General Assembly as a member of the United Nations Human Rights Council UNHRC for the 7th time for the term 2026-2028? And the correct answer is India. 23rd question. According to India's first DNA-based elephant census conducted in October 2025, what is the recorded number of elephants in the country? And the correct answer is 22,446. 24th question. Where did Defence Minister Rajnath Singh unveil India's indigenous fighter aircraft Tejas LCA Mk1A? And the correct answer is Nasik. 25th question. In October 2025, which organization launched the scheme for Innovation and Technology Alliance with Aadhaar SITAA? सो इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है कि किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने अक्टूबर 2025 को लॉन्च किया एक स्कीम इनोवेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी अलायंस विथ आधार SITAA के लिए। 26th question. Where will the 11th India International Science Festival IISF 2025 be held? And the correct answer is Chandigarh. 27th question. Which village has been officially designated by the UN Tourism Agency as the world's best tourism village for 2025? And the correct answer is Slovenia. 28th question. In October 2025, which mission was launched by the central government with an outlay of Rs 600 crore to promote the cultivation of high-yield, long staple cotton? And the correct answer is Kapas Kranti Mission. 29th question. Indian badminton player Tanvi Sharma won which medal in the women's single at the BWF World Junior Championships 2025? And the correct answer is silver medal. 30th question. Where has Defence Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated India's largest titanium and super alloy material plant? And the correct answer is Lucknow. 31st question. How many lamps were lit to set the Guinness World Record during Ayodhya Deep Utsav 2025? And the correct answer is 26,17,215. 32nd question. Which city in India became the first to implement a city-level real-time flood forecasting and early warning system? And the correct answer is Chennai. 33rd question. What is India's position in the final medal tally of the Under-23 World Wrestling Championships 2025? And the correct answer is 7th. 34th question. In which national park has India's first cheetah safari been started in October 2025? And the correct answer is Kuno National Park. 35th question. Who will the 53rd Chief Justice of India? And the correct answer is Justice Surya Kant. 36th question. What is the rank of India in the third quarter Q3 of the Hanley Passport Index 2025? And the correct answer is 85th. 37th question. Which state has become the first in India to pass a bill amending the Central Wildlife Protection Act 1972? And the correct answer is Kerala. 38th question. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI? And the correct answer is Anant Goenka. 39th question. Who became the first Indian woman to win the Mrs. Universe 2025 title in October 2025? And the correct answer is Sheri Singh. 40th question. What rank has India secured out of 123 countries in the Global Hunger Index GHI 2025? And the correct answer is 102nd. 41st question. Which US state became the third to declare Diwali as an official state holiday in October 2025? And the correct answer is California. 42nd question. Which country is chairing the 47th Asian Summit 2025? And the correct answer is Malaysia. 43rd question. Which site has been declared as India's first cold desert biosphere reserve and the 13th UNESCO Biosphere Reserve of India? And the correct answer is Spiti Valley. 44th question. In which national park was the female cheetah Mukhi the first cheetah born in India to reach adulthood born? And the correct answer is Kuno National Park. 45th question. Which team won the Irani Cup 2025-26 cricket tournament? And the correct answer is Vidarbha. 46th question. Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of NCC, National Cadet Corps? And the correct answer is Lieutenant General Virendra Vats. 47th question. In October 2025, which country became the 90th state member of the IUCN? And the correct answer is Tuvalu. 48th question. Which Indian Olympic gold medalist has been selected as the torchbearer for the 2026 Winter Olympics? And the correct answer is Abhinav Bindra. 49th question. What is India's global rank in the 2025 Index of Economic Freedom? And the correct answer is 128th. 50th question. Which city will host the World Seafood Congress 2026 for the first time in India? And the correct answer is Chennai. 51st question. Who won the title of the Japan Open 2025 tennis tournament? And the correct answer is Carlos Alcaraz. 52nd question. Which union territory or city became the first officially declared slum-free city in India? And the correct answer is Chandigarh. 53rd question. Where has a museum been inaugurated in honor of India's famous contemporary artist A. Ramachandran? And the correct answer is Kollam. 54th question. In October 2025, Union Home Minister Amit Shah launched the Majhe Ghar Yojana of which state government? And the correct answer is Goa. 55th question. At which pass in Ladakh has the Border Road Organization BRO constructed the world's highest motorable road at an altitude of 9,400 feet above sea level? And the correct answer is Migla Pass. 56th question. In October 2025, the bilateral naval exercise Konkan 2025 was held between the Indian Navy and the Royal Navy of which country? And the correct answer is Britain. 57th question. How many medals did India win at the 2025 World Para Athletics Championships? And the correct answer is 22. 58th question. In October 2025, to promote education, skill and entrepreneurship across the country, which scheme did Prime Minister Narendra Modi launch? And the correct answer is PM Setu scheme. 59th question. In October 2025, Union Coal and Mines Minister G. Kishan Reddy inaugurated India's first commercial coal mine, Namchik Nampuk, in which state? And the correct answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 60th question. Which Indian state became the first to abolish the Madras Board and implement the Minority Education Act? And the correct answer is Uttarakhand. 61st question. Which actress has been appointed as the first mental health ambassador of the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in October 2025? And the correct answer is Deepika Padukone. 62nd question. In which country has the world's first dual tower solar thermal power plant be commissioned in the Gobi Desert? And the correct answer is China. 63rd question. In October 2025, the 5 beaches of which Indian states were awarded the International Blue Flag certification? And the correct answer is Maharashtra. 64th question. Who became the first Indian to win the Global IUCN Kenton Miller Award 2025? And the correct answer is Dr. Shunali Ghosh. And the last 65th question. Who has won the Best Actress Award at the 70th Filmfare Awards 2025? And the correct answer is Alia Bhatt.